My name is Aaron,
And my name is Sai.
and we are students from Harmony School of Innovation, Sugar Land High School. Face detection technology has been growing in the ever-evolving world that we live in today, and it uses the principles and applications of computer vision and artificial intelligence in order to observe human attributes and detect people in the process. For our STEM SOS project, we created a face recognition system using Python and OpenCV. This project allowed us to understand the science on how computers can be able to identify people and process that information so that they can find them in images.
Face detection has a lot of math involved with it. In our project, we used an algorithm called the Haar Cascade Classifier, and it allowed the face detection program to find certain patterns of edges and lines within images that were converted into grayscale image, so the Haar Cascade Classifier was able to classify and detect certain facial features, like a person's eyes, nose, and mouths. Moreover, we used OpenCV, which is an open source library compatible with Python, so that we can use this functionality of detecting faces in an effective way.
To make this project, we first had to learn how to use and detect people's faces in a static image in order to find real people in an actual image. To do this, we needed Haar Cascades, and then in order to use it, we downloaded and updated the Python software to its latest version and installed important packages that were needed to do this project. Then, we put in the code needed to process images and find the human faces in those images. When a person or individual was found, their face would be highlighted with blue-colored rectangles.
The ELA component that we chose for our project was Journal, and for this we need to reflect upon all that we did through the progression of this project to where we're today. We documented each step from doing our research on related topics such as OpenCV and the GitHub repository for the Haar Cascade Classifier. Later on, we also saw into the certain libraries and sections that were needed to make this project a reality. Then, we implemented the code into Python using the Python software called PyCharm, and once we were done, we were able to see how the Haar Cascade file was able to detect faces through rectangles.
Furthermore, the social studies component that we chose for our project was impact on policy and society. By researching and investigating into how face detection technology has influenced politics in many ways, we were able to see how it can also impact how societies are managed in the process. One major issue that we found out was about people's privacy. Governments have been starting to make new laws that can protect people's personal information, and such examples include the EDPR in Europe or the CCPA in California. However, this has been raising concerns into what information other people have access to of certain individuals, and this can potentially end up invading people's privacy instead of securing it.
In order to mitigate this, we made sure to keep everything private by making sure that the face detection project that we had made was only stored on the computer and not on the cloud or on the server. Thank you for watching Harmony School of Innovation Sugar Land.